Is there any way for you to know immediately after contacting a medical malpractice attorney if you have a good case or if you have been the victim of medical malpractice? Want to know the answer to this question? Stay with me as I share with you this very important information. Hello guys, I'm Marcus Boston, and I am a childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorney practicing law here in the state of Maryland, and I would like to talk with you today about a question that we get sometimes when individuals contact us about a possible medical malpractice case. And that question is, well, while I have you on the phone, Mr. Boston, I do have one question, and that is, am I the victim of medical malpractice? Or can you give me a good idea as to whether I have a good case or not? Well, the short answer is that I'm more than likely not going to be able to give you a good answer as to that question. And the reason being is because of what has to happen before we can get to that answer. And that is that a medical expert needs to take a look at your records. In other words, I need to get your medical records, and I need to be able to review your medical records and have an expert to look at these records. And that expert will come to a conclusion as to the standard of care and whether your treating doctor fell below the standard of care causing your injury. See, Maryland law requires that you have to have that. In other words, that expert has to be able to take a look at everything and give a medical opinion as to what happened in your case. Now let's back up. Let's go to that phone call. You and me are talking on the phone, or you're in my office, or I'm at your home and I'm talking to you for the first time. I more than likely have not had an opportunity to take a look at your medical records. I haven't had an opportunity to get another medical expert to look at everything. So because I haven't had an opportunity to do that, it's going to be really hard, guys, for me to give you a good answer as to what I think legally about your case. So why have I taken the time today to talk with you about this very important information? Because like I said, this is a question that we get a lot. And if you're watching this video, you have this question more than likely. You're trying to figure out online, how do you determine whether you are the victim of medical malpractice? You have an injury and you think that the doctor is the one that caused this injury, or the hospital is responsible for this injury, and you're trying to figure out, how do you show this or how do you prove this? That's why I'm shooting this video today, to help you understand this process, to help you understand that a thorough investigation has to take place and other people have to be involved in that investigation. For example, another medical expert. If you have more questions about your situation, if you're watching this video and you know what? It's time for me to talk with someone about what's going on with my injury or with my situation. This is what I invite you to do. And remember, guys, it costs you absolutely nothing to take this next action. And that is to go ahead and pick up the phone and give me a call. I can be reached at 301-850-4832, or if you prefer, you can send me an email to medicalinjury@bostonlawllc.com. I answer Maryland medical malpractice and childbirth injury questions like yours all the time, and I will be glad to take some time and listen to your story. All right, guys, that's going to be it for today's quick educational video. Again, I'm Marcus Boston, and I'm one of the childbirth injury and medical malpractice attorneys here at Boston Law Group LLC, and we will see you next time. Guys, take care and enjoy the rest of your day.